Have you ever wondered how can everyone safely meet each other in person during the COVID-19 pandemic? Well, if you haven't, I've got the answer for you. Just don't. Yeah, don't socialize. At all. I mean, if you're a programmer, you probably know what I'm saying. Talking to people is bad. It is disgusting. I mean, why would anyone even want to socialize? Making eye contact and talking? You. Coders and Linux users have been staying in their own rooms for years, even since before the pandemic started. Probably stuck in their mom's basement writing a spaghetti code for a minimum wage. I don't even think most of us know what color grass is. It's safe in here. Just don't go outside. Stay in your room. Why? Why do you want to meet people so much? I mean, you still have your phone. I can't relate because I don't have friends, but nothing bad is gonna happen if you just don't go outside. Stay indoors. Like, don't talk to people. This way, you will be a better programmer. And I know this because I'm something of a programmer myself and I speak from my experience. The whole reason COVID is still going on is that people are going outside. Just do what you want inside. Don't don't go outside. If you're bored, then you're just not good enough and you've got skill issues. Oh, and I use Arch by the way.